Guys, it's Ryan from Hells Estate Agents. I'm on Fitzwarren Street, Salford M6 to show you this new listing we've got coming up. It is a 3-bedroom terrace property. And if we go inside, we go into a welcoming entrance hallway, which opens on up. It's the spacious dining room. Then we've got the bay fronted lounge just through here. Towards the rear of the property, got this lovely fitted kitchen. And that provides access. It's nice low maintenance courtyard garden to the rear. Current owners currently have a shed in. Now the property is in a very convenient location, just a short walk away from amenities, with an easy access to transport links throughout Manchester, including through to Salford Quays, Media City, and Manchester City Centre, through bus, tram and car links as well. As we head up to the first floor, straight on we have a 3-piece bathroom, which is a large size as you can see. Then we have the main bedroom just through here, which is a decent sized double. And the property used to be a 2-bed, but it's been split into 2 different bedrooms. We've got a single through here, and then a double just through here as well. This would be a great property for someone who's looking to put their own stamp on a property and make it their own. Get in touch to go viewing today.